He is Allah, there is no deity save Him. He knows the unseen and the visible. He is the compassionate, the merciful, He is Allah. There is no deity save Him. The sovereign, the most pure, the source of peace, the granter of security, the protector, the mighty, the compeller. The supreme glory be to Allah, who is far above that, who is far above what they associate with Him. He is Allah, the creator, the maker, the fashioner. To Him belongs the most beautiful names. Whatever is in the heavens and earth glorifies Him. He is the Almighty, the Wise. Remember Allah, follow Quran and Sunnah. Keep smiling, love your family, be humble, be respectful, do your best and say Alhamdulillah for everything. There will come a time when people will gather and pray in the mosque, but there will be no believer among them. Why are we so disappointed? Allah has warned us that this dunya wasn't made for us. The life of this world is only the enjoyment of deception. Shaitan will say, indeed Allah had promised you the promise of truth, and I promised you, but I betrayed you, but I had no authority over you, except that I invited you, and you responded to me. So do not blame me, but blame yourself. It is He, Allah, who created you from a single being, and out of it He made its maid, that He may find comfort in her. And when He covers her, she bears a light burden and goes about with it. Then when she grows heavy, they pray to their Lord. If He bestow upon us healthy child, we will surely give thanks. When Allah is angry, without He will not stop oxygen for you, He will not stop giving food to you, but He will seal your heart, He will take away His hidayah from you, He will take away salah from you. You think it is you who is not praying to God? No, it is Allah who has taken the privilege of sujood from you. Even if you have not prayed your salah in weeks, months or even years, turn back to Allah today. Allah will still forgive you and love you for doing the right thing. When Allah makes it easy for you, perform the ibadat. To ask ourselves if we are pleased with Allah, to be pleased with whatever Allah has decreed in our lives. Complete trust in Allah's plan. Check your relationship with your parents. Are they happy with you? To check how people treat us in this dunya, if people respect and love. O you who have believed, protect yourselves and your families from a fire whose fuel is people and stones, over which are appointed angels, harsh and severe. They do not disobey Allah in what He commands them, but do what they are commanded. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that when one of you becomes angry while standing, he should sit down. If the anger leaves him, well and good, otherwise he should lie down. You have everything in the world, but if Allah is angry, all is useless. I have to ask Allah's forgiveness and not get angry, because they come to me out of love, and it's not fitting that I should turn to them in hatred. Allah will intervene into our emotional states. He can give you tranquility again, whether it's anxiety, fear, grief, anger, whatever emotion, whatever things that happen that has left scared, Allah can remove that scare entirely. Whenever Allah lets your tongue say dua, know that He wants to give you what you wish for, regardless of how difficult or great your request is. Yes, Allah knows. Allah knows you are tired. Allah knows it is difficult for you. But you must also know that Allah would never place you in a situation that you can't handle. If Allah loves you more than a mother, you shouldn't be ashamed of crying to Him like a baby. When Shaitan was expelled from heaven, he was given invisibility, abundance of offspring, ability to travel in space free of hunger. When Adam alayhis salam heard this, he asked Allah, "What do I get?" Allah replied, "If the children of Adam sincerely ask forgiveness, I will wipe that sin no matter how big." Shaitan, upon hearing this, started crying and said, "All my efforts will be wasted. What are you waiting for?"